In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can block or unblock players here in Fall Guys. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. But from the main menu, go ahead and look down in the bottom right corner and you're looking for this like little thing that has the three faces. This is your friends menu right here. Open up and you're going to see all your friends on here, and if it's your friend that you want to go ahead and block, go ahead and find them on here, select them, and then hit more options and you'll see a block option. However, if they obviously aren't your friend, what you're going to want to do is go to this little tab right here to add friends and search for them just like so. Let's just pretend that I just searched for I'm a LeBron kid, right? Select their name and then you're going to see that same block option. Now, once they're blocked, they'll be removed from your friends list, or, you just won't see them anymore. And if you ever want to unblock them, go back to this exact same menu, search for them again, and then go ahead and hit unblock on their profile, and they're no longer going to be blocked. Now, blocking automatically will remove the player from your friends list, so after unblocking, you will have to send a new friend request if you do decide to unblock them, and then wait for them to accept. But it really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.